Yeah, good morning, students. Yesterday, I have given one question in graphs. Possible are this graph, time and position. I have given this question. Clear? I have drawn one line parallel to the y-axis, position line. So, this graph is not possible because at this interval, at this time, body having different positions. Let us say this is 1 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter. Single instant of time we cannot maintain. We will not have different positions. So this is not possible. Clear? Now we will see equations, kinematic equations from graph. How to derive how to get the equations from graph, or we call it as a graphical method. Yesterday I have given three equations. First one is V is equal to U plus AD. Second one is S is equal to UT plus of AD square. And third one is V square minus Q square is equal to 2AS. Now, for all equations, we will use only one figure. Now, that is time on x-axis, velocity on, this is velocity on y-axis, this is time on x-axis. Suppose we have a graph like this. This is velocity time graph. What is this graph? Velocity time graph. So this is origin O. So on the y-axis we have certain value. So this we will take it as a U, initial velocity. And this point I am taking as A. Clear? Now this, the end of this line represents the final velocity. This is V. Clear? So this is the graph. Now this represents what? It is moving with constant acceleration. Clear? And the area under this line gives the displacement. Then how do we find this acceleration? Slope of the line gives the acceleration. Clear? So for our convenience, draw this line. This point we taken as A, this point we taken as B. B point represents what? Final velocity. A point represents what? Initial velocity. Clear? You take the line. This is C. OC represents what? Time. T. Clear? This you take it D. Clear? Now, first derivation, first relation, velocity time relation, first one. Clear? Now, this slope of this line gives the acceleration. Clear? So, how do we get acceleration? Slope of line gives acceleration. So A is equal to slope. Then slope, how do we write? Slope of this line is, this is theta, this by this point. Clear? So you might have seen that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, actual mathematics. So y2 minus y1 means we will get this B. x2 minus x1 means we will get OC. This is x1, this is x2. This is y1 and y2. This is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is y2 minus y1 is what? BD by x2 minus x1 what? CO. So A is equal to BD by CO. But from the figure, how do we write this BC? How do we write BC is equal to, this is total line BC. This I can write BD plus DC. We require BD. BD is equal to BC minus DC. So BC is what? Total. This total represents what? Final velocity V. And DC represents what? This is parallel to AO. This is nothing but U. Clear? Now CO is what? CO represents is what? Time T. So A is equal to, substitute B, here it is, we make it BD subject. So BD is equal to DC comes to this side, so BC minus DC. Then what we got? BD V minus U. So our BD is equal to V minus U. So V minus U by T. So AT is equal to V minus U. We require V. Minus U comes this side, it will be plus. So AT, to avoid confusion, I write like this. Minus U comes this side, so U plus AT is equal to V. Then V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first kinematic equation. Clear? Well, how do we derive from the which point? A slope of the line gives the acceleration. In velocity time graph we have seen. Next step, we will try to find out relation between, this is the first one. Now second one, we will find what is the relation next? Position and time relation, or sometimes called as a displacement time, or displacement time. Then how do we get displacement time from velocity time graph? Velocity time graph saying the area under the line gives the total displacement. So displacement is equal to area under the line or curve. So area under the line means this is the total area. Understand? So this shaded area we can split into two. One is rectangle, another one is right angle. So rectangle area, or we can write area of AADCO plus area of ABD. So ADCO is what? Rectangle. Rectangle area is what? Side into base into side, or length into side, whatever it is, the product of this and this. So that I can write AO into OC plus area of ABD. ABD is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle area is half into base into height of, what is base? AD. What is height? BD. This is D. Clear? So AO into OC plus half into AD is what? AD is parallel to OC. So this is OC into BD. Now AO value is what? From the figure AO value is, I write here, AO is equal to U, BC is equal to V, BD is equal to V minus U, OC is equal to AD is equal to T. Clear? These AD and OC parallel, OC value T, and next AO is equal to DC is equal to U. Clear? This line parallel. So U into T plus half. What is OC? T. What is BD? What is BD from this? V minus U. Clear? V minus Q. So this is UT plus half into T. From this, U V minus U is equal to AT. This value substitute here into AT. Since V minus U is equal to AT. And this is UT plus half A T into T square. This is what we are talking, displacement. Yes. Clear? This is second kinematic equation. Now, third one. First we see relation velocity time. Next we see position time. Now we will see position and velocity. Velocity relation. Clear? Again, to find this, we will take again area. Now, displacement is equal to area of thing total I am considering now. Okay, what is that? O, A, B, C. Clear? O. Here it is nothing but trapezium. So trapezium area is what? Of h by 2, height by 2. What is the height? See, if you draw this figure like this, you turn this, it will become like this. Am I correct? This is what? AO. Next, this is what? OC. This is B. This is D. This is height, and these two are parallel lines. Clear? So, this I can write OC by 2 into add parallel lines. AO plus BC. Clear? Understand? So, OC what is represent? This is T. Actually, this is also T. To understand, I said H. So, but H is equal to T here. So, this is T by 2. AO is what? U. BC is what? V. This is what? S. So, S is equal to T by 2, V plus U plus V or V plus U. U plus V. This 2 comes this side to S, T, V plus U. Clear? From this or from this or from this, since V minus U is equal to AT, T is equal to V minus U by A. This T value substitute here. Position velocity required. T is not required. So 2s is equal to v minus u by a into v plus u. A comes to this side, 2as, v minus u into v plus u. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So this is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. This is the third relation. So these are all, these three equations we derived from where? From which graph? Velocity time graph. So that's what this is, graphical method to derive the three equations. V is equal to u plus at, v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square is equal to 2as. These three equations is valid when acceleration is constant or acceleration is uniform. Clear? So you see and write down these three equations. Clear? Now we will try to solve some problems on three equations. Clear? Now the first problem is, a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes, assuming that the acceleration is uniform. Already I mentioned, three equations is valid when acceleration is uniform. Acceleration is uniform. Find the acceleration and distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. So according to information, starts from rest means initial velocity is equal to 0. Clear? Final velocity v is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. So how do we convert this into meter per second? This is in kilometers per hour. So we need to change this into meter per second. So 72 into multiply with 5 by 18. Then 18 once, 18 4. 4 into 5, 20 meter per second. What did they give next? Time given 5 minutes. T is equal to 5 minutes. We say taken velocity in meter per second. So time also we need to convert it to seconds. 5 minutes. 5 into. Each minute carries 60 seconds. So 5 into 60, 300 seconds. This is the given information, and they asked acceleration, and next what did they ask? Distance traveled by the train. Then yes, they asked. Okay, we have three equations. What are that? V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Next v square minus u square is equal to 2a. Yes. So to find the first means first question, acceleration, we have a information UVT. So to find A, we need to select the equation from the tree. Then how do we select that? According to given information. So we have a UVT. So these three terms involves in which equation we need to check. So VUAT, first equation involved, in first equation 3 involved. If you select the second, UT given but S not given. So second is not suitable. VU2AS is there here, but time is there. So this is not suitable to find the first equation. First answer, acceleration. So the suitable equation is what now? V is equal to U plus 80. So I am taking V is equal to U plus 80. Clear? They are asking A. So substitute the values now. V is final velocity is what? 20. Initial velocity is what? 0 plus A they asked T value is what? Into 300. So A into 300 is equal to 20. A is equal to 20 by 300. 1 0 cancel, 2 ones, 15. So 1 by 15 meter per second square. Clear? Next, they ask the yes. Now we came to know A. A is equal to what? 1 by 15 meter per second square. To find S distance traveled by the train. Clear? Now we have a U, we have a V, we have a T, we have A. So which equation is suitable? Both are suitable. Clear? So whatever that depend on you. If which equation is having a simple calculation, that you select. So I will give both solutions. You do not worry. So first I am taking for second solution answer. I am taking S is equal to ut plus of a t square. So u value 0, t value is 300 plus of a already we calculated 15 into what is this? T value is what? 300 square. So this we can write 0 into something, 0 half into 1 by 15 into 300 into 300. Clear? 2 into 15, 30. 30 into 300 into 300. 30 ones, 30 tens. 10 into 300, 3000 meters. You can select the second also or the solution. If you select second equation, what is that? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. They are asking yes. So yes, you make it subject to S is equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Now, S is equal to what is V final velocity? 20 meter per second. So 20 square minus 0 square by what is that? 2A. 2 into A value is what? 1 by 15. So this I can write 20 square. So 20 into 20, 0 square will not be 0 square is 0, minus again we will get same. This 15 comes up by 2. 2 ones, 2 tens. So 200 into 15. Again this is 3000 meters. Clear? Or this we can write 3 kilometer. Here also answer is 3 kilometer because 1000 meters is equal to kilometer. See, answer is remains same. No matter, see, selecting the equation, especially second case, which calculation, which formula gives the simple solution, that we need to select. No matter, it's depend on you only. If you select anyone, no problem, you will get correct answer. Clear? Now come to second question. Second question is, a train is traveling at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. Don't worry, if you find a negative here, that is will not make you any difficult. Clear? See, what did they do? They applied brakes. By applying the brakes, what happened? Velocity increases or decreases? It decreases. Velocity decreases, then that we call it as a deceleration. Velocity increases, that we call it as an acceleration. So brakes applied, obviously velocity of the train decreases, means train is in decelerating. So that deceleration expressed using minus. Acceleration we can say direct 0.5. Acceleration if we express with negative minus sign, that means that is decelerating. Clear? So we will consider minus as it is. Understand? For acceleration, we don't use any sign. Body accelerating 1 meter per second square, body accelerating 2 meter per second square. Like that. If I say body accelerating 1 meter per second square, that means it's decelerating. Clear? We do not write a deceleration. We will give a minus sign to that value. If we assign minus sign to the value, that means that is decelerating. Clear? But decelerating we express with A only. By adding minus, it gives the meaning changes. Understand? If we not add the sign, that we treat it as an acceleration. That I will show you now. Now it start. Train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Already it is moving. So initial velocity we will take it U as 90 km per hour. Convert this into meter per second square because acceleration is in meter per second square. So 90 into 5 by 18. 18 once, 18 twice. 5 into 5, 25 meter per second. Velocity. Acceleration A is equal to minus 0.5 meter per second square. Actually this is deceleration, but we express with A. Negative sign is there. Clear? Understand? If negative sign comes, that we call it as a deceleration, but we represent with A only. Remember. Now apply the brakes. What happens? It comes to rest. Before it brought to rest. Clear? So finally it comes to rest. Final velocity will be 0. They are asking, yes, distance covered. So V is equal to U plus AD, S is equal to UB plus half AD square, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. We have the 3 equations. Selecting the equation from 3, it's depend on given information and asked question. Understand? Clear? By applying the brakes, as soon as we apply the brakes, vehicle will not instantly stops. It travels certain distance, any vehicle. So that distance they asked. By applying as soon as the brakes applied, then what happens? Velocity gradually decreases, meanwhile it travels some distance. That distance they asked. The distance asked before it comes to rest. Now, information given you, A, V, asking yes. Which is suitable? This is not suitable because time involves. This is also not suitable because time involves. Time not mentioned in the question. Obviously, this is the suitable equation. Now, I am taking that equation. So V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. S is equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Now substitute the values. V value is what? 0. 0 square minus. This minus is already there in the equation. U value is what? 25. 25 square. Don't write minus inside. This minus already there in the formula. So 25 square by 2 into. What is A value? Minus 5. So minus 0.5. This will be 0 square is 0 minus 25 into 25 by 2 into minus 0.5. Okay, this is minus 2 into 0.5 is 1. Clear? So minus minus cancel. 25 into 25. This is not plus, minus minus I cancel. So 25 into 25, 625 meters. So how long train travel? How much distance train covered? 625 meters. Clear? Okay, I given one example problem explanation and one asked question problem in your 9th class textbook. If books are available, you open and try it. In the next videos, we will see remaining problems related to these equations. Clear? Don't forget practicing this. and read 9th class textbook. That's very good book, and it helps you to understand first PU concepts. Right.